In front of me is OPPO A96, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on this device. So first of all, just open some area where you can input text. That can be message, note, whatever, email. Then click on a new one, and here we've got the current keyboard. To change it, click on settings icon, then mark languages, click on add keyboard, and then pick the language that you would like to add. You can also search for some particular language. Let me pick Hebrew. Mark, click on done, then remove unnecessary language, and here you've got it. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.